VCK large room air purifier with H14 true HEPA filter. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. First thing you want to do after you unpack it is pull the filter out of the bottom because it's wrapped up. That is a big filter. You want to make sure the plastic is off of this. Set it into place easy enough. We'll put the lid back on. There is a VCK replacement filter available for this, and that will last roughly 2,600 hours or about 3 to 4 months. All right, so these things are great if you got people coming for a visit. This thing's able to clean up to 2,300 square foot in an hour. So that makes it ideal for living rooms, like your large rooms in your house, basement, great for the office, great for a classroom, that kind of things. I just wanted to show you on this, the way this works. It draws air in from these two sides right here and pushes it out of the top. It cleans it and sends it back into the room. It's got two handles on here. It does have a little weight on it. So it comes with a set of instructions and also a remote control. So if you hit the on-off button right here, it immediately goes into a self-diagnostic mode, and you can see the colors are changing from red, blue, and green. It's going through its cycle to determine what kind of air quality we have in the room. This thing uses a PM 2.5 monitor, and that's what it's doing right now. It's checking out where the air quality is right now in the room and what it needs to do to get it back to excellent quality air. And you can see it's turned green. Green is excellent quality air. Blue is good quality air, and red is poor quality air. And right now I've got it in auto mode. And what I really like about this is it's just so simple. So it's got auto mode, and it has 3 different fan speeds. You can hear that chime on there. So there's speed 1, speed 2, and speed 3. So we've got a mute button on here. When you press this, it takes the chimes away, so it makes it quiet when you press the buttons. I really like that. It's got a sleep mode on here. It goes into a quiet setting. It runs real quietly in the background, and the backlight dims so you can sleep. If you press and hold the sleep button, it goes into child lock mode. Now when it's in auto mode, the thing basically monitors the air quality, and when it needs to, it kicks into high efficiency mode and it gets to work. Then it goes back into the low mode, monitor mode once it takes care of the problem. You can see I've got good air quality. It's going to try and get it up to excellent air quality right now. It also features a 12-hour timer on here. It's got everything. It's got sleep mode, it's got a timer, it's got auto mode, which I'm going to use, and 3 different fan speeds. And of course, I like the fact that I can mute the panel. So if you're looking for something to remove odors from large rooms like smoke, pollen, pet smells, dust, dander, and more, this is the VCK Large Room Air Purifier.